In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to effectively change a template on your Wix site. Let's dive right in. The first thing you'll want to do is go to Wix.com and log into your account. If you haven't already set up an account, the process is straightforward and user-friendly. Once you've logged in, head over to the dashboard and select the site for which you want to change the template. Now, it's important to note here that Wix doesn't allow you to change the template directly on an existing site. That's a key point to remember. Instead, you'll have to create a new site and apply the new template there. This means you'll need to manually transfer your existing content or use some of Wix's tools to assist with the migration. Now let's get started on creating your new site. Once you're in the Wix dashboard, find the option to create new site. Clicking this will open up the site creation feature. Here, you'll be prompted to choose a category for your new site. You might be setting up a business site, a blog, or perhaps a portfolio. Choose the category that best suits your needs. After you've selected your category, click on Continue. When you reach the next stage, you'll have the option to start with a template. This is where you can really start customizing your site to give it a unique feel. Type in the name of your new site when prompted. It's a great idea to keep your brand or personal identity consistent when naming your site. Next, you'll check the goals for your new site. Wix will guide you through this process with simple prompts to ensure your site aligns with what you're hoping to achieve. Once you've reviewed your site goals, click Continue to be taken to the dashboard where you can start making your site design decisions. This part really allows your creativity to soar as you get to decide how your site will look and feel. You'll find an option to Design Site, where you can start browsing through the Wix template library. This vast library is filled with beautiful and professionally designed templates to suit various tastes and needs. When you find a template that resonates with you, click Edit, which allows you to dive into the Wix editor and start personalizing it. This is where you might need to transfer content from your old site to ensure continuity. You can manually copy text, images, and other media. For features like blog posts, make use of the Wix Blog Manager to export and import content easily. As you customize, be mindful to adjust colors, fonts, and layouts to match your brand. Re-add any apps or widgets you used previously to retain functionality. Check how your site looks on desktop, tablet, and mobile to ensure a responsive design across devices. Finally, preview your new template to see how it all comes together. Make any necessary adjustments, and when you're satisfied, click Publish to take your new site live. Once published, simply click on Done, and you're good to go. Now you're ready to showcase your revamped online presence.